In tonight's Fox Focus, software that actually allows people to spy on what you're doing with your phone.
And some of it is completely illegal to do. Fox 23's Tori Wells takes a look at what these programs are capable of and where those legal lines blur.
I was coughing really badly.
Imagine you're talking to your mom, texting your spouse, or emailing your boss, and someone else is listening in or reading it all.
That would be kind of messed up.
I do think about it sometimes. It's like, maybe I shouldn't say this over the phone.
Sounds like a spy movie, right?
Prioritize his phone bill.
Well, the capability is very real.
Once your cell phone has been compromised, it is truly scary how much information someone can get.
Todd Morris is the CEO and founder of BRICKHOUSE Security. He says there is software out there that allows people to listen into your phone calls, turn on the camera to see what's happening in a room, even use the microphone to listen in on conversations when your phone is just sitting there.
It really turns your cell phone into an extremely powerful surveillance device to be used against you.
He says hackers have access to your email, websites you visit, your passwords, and can even find out where you are. And he says there's almost no way to know if you've been hacked.
That's kind of scary.
Scary, yes, and illegal in the U.S., but it's happening. The software is often sold from international locations, and some of the spying you could actually be doing yourself.
If you've downloaded 11 or 12 apps onto your Android phone, chances are pretty good you've hacked your own phone.
Opening email attachments can do it too, to any phone.
You actually brought one over here.
We found this sample recording on a website that says it sells legal software advertised to monitor your employees, your kids, even your spouse. This company shows how you can read text messages, phone logs, sometimes even track GPS locations.
I would say yes, that is legal if you're the one that's paying the bills on that.
But attorney Greg Rinckey says when it comes to technology like this, the lines are still blurred.
A lot of these are working their way through the courts now as to whether it's a violation of privacy.
And you could still use this legal software illegally.
If you install it on an ex-boyfriend, an ex-girlfriend's phone, and all of a sudden now you're reading their text messages, you're listening into their phone calls.
Morris says his company does sell a legal form of software, one that doesn't let you listen in on other people's phone calls, because as he tells his customers, that's not legal.
It doesn't matter if your employee is stealing money from your company, you just broke a federal wiretap law.
So how do you protect yourself? Morris says keep your phone with you, keep it password protected, especially your voicemail, and be careful about what you download. People we spoke with say they're not even sure this technology is necessary.
I don't really need to go that far.
If you feel the need that you have to use it on your boyfriend or your wife or your husband, you might want to just get a new husband or wife and not the new software.